In this video, I'll share how to reset your TurboTax account. Now, in order for you to reset your TurboTax account, one thing that you have to know is that in order for you to do that, you have to make sure that within your TurboTax account, you haven't filed any of your taxes. If you did file any of your taxes within your TurboTax account, then you won't have an option to reset. Now, let's say you haven't filed any of your taxes within TurboTax. In order for you to reset, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, choose Tax Tools. Now, below Tax Tools, choose the first option, which is Tools. And from here, a pop-up will show this will be the Tool Center. At the bottom, you want to head over to Other Helpful Links and click on the second option, which is Clear and Start Over. Now, once you have clicked Clear and Start Over, it will take you to the section wherein you can restart your TurboTax account. As you can see, I am unable to clear my return, and the reason for that is I have already filed my taxes within my account. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.